Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to bold text in WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to bold text in WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after that guys, open up the chat box of the person to whom you want to send the text in bold. So in order to proceed to send the bold text message guys, tap on the message bar on the chat box of the person. And before we start to type a message guys, first you'll be required to type the asterisk or the star mark in front of the message, and let's send the demo message over here guys. And after that you'll be required to end the message with a asterisk mark as well. And with that being done guys, the text will be bolded, and you can see guys over here we'll be sending a demo message, another one. So guys, you can see there are differences between the two messages. So start your message with the asterisk and it will bold your text on WhatsApp. And there guys, this is how to send bold text in WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.